What if you drank 10 liters of water at once? It sounds healthy, right? Water is life. Hydration is good. So more hydration must be even better, right? Well, not exactly. Let's imagine you wake up one morning feeling extra motivated. You stretch, look at yourself in the mirror, and say, "Today, I become the most hydrated human on earth." You fill up 10 1-liter bottles, line them up on the table like a hydration challenge, and start chugging. No breaks, no fear, just pure, unfiltered commitment. You down the first few bottles like a champ. You feel fresh, clean, unstoppable. Around bottle number 5, things start to get weird. Your stomach balloons, your bladder screams. Your brain starts whispering, are we okay? By bottle number 7, you're not okay. You see, drinking 10 liters of water in a short period, say an hour or less, is not just extreme, it's dangerous. Like, could kill you, dangerous. This isn't a hypothetical with gentle side effects. This is the kind of scenario that emergency doctors file under "why though?" Let's look at the science. Your kidneys are responsible for processing and eliminating excess water. They can filter out about 0.8 to 1.0 liters per hour. That's it. That's your human plumbing limit. If you suddenly flood your system with 10 liters of water, your kidneys can't keep up. Instead, all that water starts diluting your blood. And here's where things get critical. The sodium in your bloodstream starts to drop. This condition is called hyponatremia, literally low salt in the blood. But it's not about flavor. Sodium helps regulate water balance between the inside and outside of your cells. When sodium levels drop too fast, water rushes into cells. All cells, including brain cells. Now, your brain is smart, but it's also trapped inside your skull. It doesn't have room to swell. So as brain cells expand with excess water, the pressure inside your skull rises. Symptoms can start with a headache, nausea, confusion. Then come seizures. Then coma. Then not much of anything. This actually happens. There are documented cases of people dying from water intoxication. Yes, that's a real term. After drinking large amounts of water during contests, dares, or misguided attempts at detoxing. But let's rewind. Say you survive. What does your body go through? First, your stomach feels like a sloshing water balloon. You're bloated. Breathing gets harder. You need to pee urgently, constantly, and in terrifying quantities. Your bladder is working overtime, but it's not enough. The water is already seeping into your tissues. Your blood becomes thin. Electrolyte levels crash. Muscles twitch. Your brain says, "Buddy, I didn't sign up for this." You're dizzy, disoriented. You feel cold, even though your body is overheating. Your cells are in full panic mode. And socially, let's not ignore the obvious. 10 liters of water equals 10 kilograms. That's like carrying a large bowling ball in liquid form inside your torso. You're not walking. You're sloshing. Every step sounds like a sink that needs repairs. Friends ask if you're okay. You respond by sprinting to the bathroom for the 5th time in 20 minutes. At this point, you realize hydration has a limit, and you left that limit in the dust 5 bottles ago. So, what have we learned? That water is amazing, but also powerful. It keeps us alive. It fills our cells. It cools our body and powers our brain. But like anything good, oxygen, caffeine, chocolate, too much becomes a problem. If you drink 10 liters of water all at once, you're not just pushing your bladder to its limits. You're gambling with your blood chemistry, your brain pressure, and possibly your life. So next time someone tells you to drink more water, just remember, yes. But not all at once. You're a human, not a sponge, and definitely not a water balloon with legs.